Hey there guys, XP User 2600 here, and welcome back to another video. So today, well, you think this is a new phone? Well, I already have one, and I'm using it to record this video, of course. So let's get into this video already. So, if you I guess you see this box with a phone made by Samsung, a Samsung Galaxy A03. Well, I have bought it for my friend for his birthday. So let's get into the unboxing process and setting it up. I have especially chosen not to set up within the shop because I like to show the process of setting up One UI and everything like that. So let's get into this video. So before I'll unbox this thing, I'll just tell you that this thing has 128 gigabytes of storage and 4 gigabytes of random access memory. Oh, well, that's RAM for short. So let's begin this thing. Okay, so what you do on these non-flagship phones, these are mid-rangers. So you just need to slide the box like this, and you would already get this manual box again. Now you need to go like this, and it will remove, and boom! This is the phone. Well, if you're wondering why it doesn't have the usual cover it has when you get it from the shop, well, actually, we have decided to install a screen protector on this thing, so let's get into turning on this thing. Well, and here are all the accessories it came. It just came with only a charger brick, of course, and a USB cable. Well, of course, it's an older version of the USB standard, so I guess it's now time to start up this phone and set it up. So let's get into this thing. Alright, so I have already put this phone on its box, so it will be good for me to see what's on camera. So let's turn it on. Okay, it's now on. We're booting into Android. However, I don't know which version of it is actually, so I guess it's Android 11 because it isn't updated from the shop because I don't know, because it was connected to the internet already. So, within this video, we will take steps onto lots of stuff. So, let's boot up this phone and go ahead and set it up. Okay, so it looks like the powered by Android thing is gone, and this means One UI or Android is booting. Oh, and there it is, starting Android. And it's like the usual setup thing you got. Okay, welcome to One UI. However, I don't want the English United Kingdom, so I'll go ahead and choose English United States. That's the language I'm more preferred to have. Click OK, and there it is. Click Start. Insert a SIM card. We still don't have a SIM card, so let's go ahead and have this like this, and I have agreed this. Blah 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 blah. Something something something. Jada jada jada. Exiting out of here. So I'll take all of these options. 1, 2. Come on. What's going on? 3. And time to press next. Oh no, I must turn off because I just don't want to show you this, and the screen is so dim. I want to just have it already. So I have turned off the Wi-Fi, so I'll just gotta click skip. Okay. I don't know how to copy apps and things, so I'll just choose don't copy. Okay, so here comes the date and time setup. Okay, so it looks like everything here is correct. Next. And now Google stuff, something, 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 jada, jada, jada. Wait, what? Uh, it was nothing. Okay, I just skipped this one because why? I don't need it. Skip anyway. Okay. I don't think my friend already has a Samsung account, so I'll just skip this thing. Skip. I'm all set up. Let's finish. Okay. Here it is. We're finally on the desktop. Okay, I'll need to increase it. Oh, and it's actually running Android 11. Alright, I'll increase it to maximum and just turn off Bluetooth because I don't have any Bluetooth devices. I don't need to even connect any. Come on, you just turn off. Okay, done. Okay, so let me connect to my Wi-Fi. I'll be back shortly. Hey, I have just connected this thing to the internet and now it requires me to install this. What in the world? Yeah. What in the world is going on with this thing? Samsung, what are you doing? I hate TikTok. What are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this thing to me? Alright, so I must also set up some settings, so I'll just uncheck these. Okay, so I need to exit out of here. I need to get out of here right now. Exit out of here. What's going on? Okay, so uncheck, uncheck, and gotta click OK. Finish. And now I'll wait this app to install and then I'll uninstall it. Something arrived? What was this? Okay, let's see what's this thing. Oh, come on, focusing already. Okay, finish setting up. What's even really the point of this thing? I don't really know. Should I go over all this thing? I don't really know, but I'll just choose don't copy. And what in the world? Okay, so it looks like now it wants me to sign into a Google account. Obviously, I won't do that. I don't really want to do this. How do I skip this thing? I don't know, but I guess I just exit out of this thing. Go away. Done. Okay. Before I almost do this thing, I'll just say, Samsung, why did you partner with TikTok? I hate this thing. Oh, come on, why cannot I skip this thing? Okay, I'll try and sign in and then I'll sign out. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so this thing doesn't have any SIM card. I don't want my personal info to appear on this thing. I'm giving it away to my friend. What's even really going on with this thing? It's crazy. I have entered my password off screen, so I'll just bypass this thing by just briefly signing in, and then I'll sign out just after I'll do this. So, this phone just sucks because it really required me to just. I don't really want to back up data from this phone. I'll just also turn off location because why I don't need anything off there. Okay, I guess I'll just go with it. I'll just skip anyway, and done. Is it already done already? I must get TikTok off this phone before my friend goes insane. I mean, it will freak out when you'll see that. Okay, I'll be back when this thing finishes that setup thing. Yeah, I guess I have already just got it. So I'll just click skip. Why not? I don't really want this thing. Skip. And we are back to the desktop. So now, the first thing I want to do is to get TikTok off of here. Okay. Hold and uninstall. Bye bye. Done. Now, I'll need to get some things off of this phone. I'll need to disable some stuff. Like Microsoft stuff. Because my friend doesn't need it at all. So I'll just click uninstall. Wait, these just come pre-installed without anything. Well, I guess this Samsung turning in one UI into Windows. I don't really know. Uninstall again. What's really going on with this thing? Come on, uninstall already. And of course, another one of these. Well, I guess I cannot just disable this thing, but I can just disable it. Why not? It's just like uninstalling, but it will just stay in the system. Numerous attempts of disabling OneDrive. I'm trying it again. Get off of this phone. Disable and disable. Come on already. So now we'll need to disable this thing. And uninstall some apps too, because no, I don't think my error needed. Okay, and I guess it won't disable, so I just need to just like this uninstall. Oh, I would like to uninstall this app. Okay, done, uninstalled. Okay, it's now time to get rid of some apps too. Well, I guess uninstall again. Okay, uninstall again. And uninstall again. And this one too. And this one, I guess. I just will remove it, but I just cannot disable this app. So I'll just have to go through the hassle of hiding this app. Okay, I guess I'd also... Well, I guess I could just uninstall this one too. Okay. I'm already cleaning up this thing. So I guess I'll also download the official Samsung Messages app if it's already present on this phone already. I don't think this is present already, so I'll just download Samsung Messages. I use that one by default on my phone, so I guess... Wow, this phone also comes with a radio. My one didn't, so I guess this thing already has advantages over mine. So I'll be right back. I guess I'd also uninstall Samsung members because why not? I guess I'd want to save space on this phone. Even though it's 128 gigabytes. I want to clean everything. Clean all of this mess up. Also, I guess Outlook was left in here. Uninstall again. Okay. Well, this thing come with less Microsoft bloat than I thought. Okay, so I guess I'll also uninstall YouTube Music because that friend I have mentioned before doesn't listen to music at all. So I guess this is already starting to clean up. Now let me just quickly download the Samsung Messages app from the Galaxy store, I guess. Where's that? There it is. Okay, I guess I'll need to exit out before that audio plays and I'll get a copyright strike. I don't want that, so I'll need to fully mute the media volume. Okay, I guess that's it. Time to get into... Oh, come on. Why did it crash? Is it updating or what? Okay, I guess I can download it through. What in the world is going on with that? It's installing some apps. What's that? Let me just quickly look into here. Okay, updating apps. Okay, so I guess all of these things needs to be updated, so I guess I'd click every one of these and update them. I'll be back in a moment because I just cannot do anything. Okay, so off camera I have been doing some things like it's like I have signed out of my account and I've also updated all of the apps. So I'm ready to update to Android 12 with One UI 4.1. Let's go into settings and so let's click open. Well, I guess it's pretty hard to navigate on a touch screen when you're filming something. So I guess this hand is much better to control the phone with. So let's just install it now. Okay, we are ready. Come on, install already. Okay, so it looks like we're getting ready to update this thing. And I guess here it is. The update is being done. So as you can see, it's on 79% for now. And I'll be back when this thing is complete updating. Okay, I guess this thing is finished. Now, time to go into software information to preview. Here, One UI Core version 4.1 and Android version 12. Now, let's just perform this Easter egg. So, you'll need to turn the clock to 12 o'clock. And, come on, what's not... And there it is, Android 12's Easter egg. So, I guess that might conclude it already. Now, let's take a look at its back. Yeah, it's kind of some like kind of texture. Okay, let's go ahead and finish off this video. So what I'm gonna do first is just remove this extra link because I don't need it. Alright, and now time to shut down this phone. Click power off, and there it goes. Shutting down. And there it is. Now, time to pack this phone back in how it was like, so they wouldn't notice. Okay, so removing the box. And by the way, this is my phone's case. If you wonder, just. Okay, time to remove this box of manuals and put it like it was before. Putting it back in like this. And covering it back up. Just like it was new from the shop. And there it is. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe and turn on those notification bells if you haven't already. This is XBuser2600 from My Computer Studios, signing out. Peace out.